Hello. So in this video, I'm going to explain what a power cable is. Actually, a power cable is a cable that carries electrical current just to power up either a computer, speakers. So for speakers that like active speakers, we use power cables to power them. Computers, you can power the CPU. Yeah, there are a lot of things that we use to power uh, them using a power cable. So let me show you how it looks. So a power cable looks like this. So it has three pins. It has three uh, the holes where where power comes in when you plug it, and it has this. So this is a power cable. So we have F. The F is here. So with these you have live and neutral. So this is how it looks like. This is the power cable. So you can connect this power cable to the computer to an audio interface um, if it uses the power cable, speakers, computer. So using this printers, this is a power cable.